Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I am here again for the new update, and this is a complete detailed discussion of on how many candidates get selected and from which branches they get selected and what was their interview duration. Okay, what was their HR name. Okay, and from which ICs they interviewed and from which ICs they get results. Okay, complete detail, every branch wise, HR name, their college name, state wise. Okay, everything I will share you. There are more than 80 responses are there. Okay, because yesterday there are lots of comment of candidates that for this IC's results are declared or not. So I decided to create a Google form in which the people who got selected they have to fill their details. Okay, accordingly I will provide you the complete detail, and also I will provide you the detailed PDF of this, which was this, you can see. Let's wait. Okay, so this is a complete PDF. Okay, so this PDF I will provide. I have already uploaded in the Instagram. Because of YouTube community guidelines, I cannot upload this in the description of the YouTube channel. So I already posted in my Instagram, so you can go there and just download it. I have already pinned the comment by my Instagram ID, and in description also I have dropped my Instagram ID. Okay, so from there you can very easily, just one click, you can download this. Okay, and I will give you a detailed discussion. Okay, so I request you all to watch this video complete, and please like the channel, like the video, and share also the video to your candidates, and please subscribe the channel because this takes a lots of effort. Okay, from yesterday I am working on it until now I am making this video for complete discussion after watching this PDF completely. Okay, so please don't ignore this, watch this video completely and you will get a complete detailed discussion. Okay, and also the I am requesting to the people who got selected, please uh, share this video, and also please fill the form. I already dropped the filling form also in the description, and also I will pin this link also in comment. So please fill the form, this will help a lot. Also who are watching this video, if your any friend got selected, then share this form to your friends so that they fill that form, so that in next time also we can get better idea within 2 to 3 days. And all these form also I will update on Instagram also. Okay, so stay updated on there also. Now let's start the discussion. Okay, so first I am starting with the branches. Okay, for how many people are get selected from different branches. Okay, you can see there are 80 responses from the people who got selected. Okay, and the major branch from which the pupil get selected is mechanical. Okay, from mechanical, out of 80, I think 50%, more than 50% people are from mechanical. Okay, so from mechanical lots of people have get selected. Okay, and then from civil. Okay, so from the civil also people are there. From the electrical, you can see the branches. Then this is a graph. Okay, then I will also give you the how many people get selected from this out of 80 from mechanical different branches. Okay, I will also give you the number from chemical, civil, electrical, EE. You can see your branch here. Okay, that from these branches people get selected. Okay, and now see the number of responses. Okay, you can see that from mechanical there are 37 people get selected, from civil 9, from EE 4 people. Okay, then from ECE 3 people, from mechanical again 3 people, from EE again 2 people. Then electrical engineering, two responses are there. Mechatronics or robotics, you can say, there are also two responses. Okay, from again mechanical two people, from chemical again two people get selected. Okay, and for who is these people's HR and what was their interview duration, I also tell you. Okay, So just wait and watch this video. So okay, then chemical again, then metallurgical and material science one, information technology, mechanical again, civil, electrical engineering, ECR, chemical, civil. Okay, then you can see for every branch at least one pupil gets selected. Okay, CSE is also there, civil, mechanical, instrumentation and engineering, mechanical Rajgiri. Okay, then instrumentation and control. So these are the people who get selected. Okay, and now let's discuss about the interview duration. Okay, so there is also very good news, because there is no any limit for the people who have their interview more than 30 minutes or 40 minutes. They only get selected, because here you can see there are lots of people whose interview is only for 10 minutes, only for 10 minutes, 12 minutes got selected. Okay, and also not like ki their CGPA is 9.5, 9.8 like. Okay, there are lots of candidate also who is CGPA 7.2 and they got selected. Okay, so I will tell you the complete detail. Here you can see the better idea about the interview duration. Okay, these all things are mentioned in PDF also. Okay, but for the better idea of you, I am explaining it in detail. Okay, so you can see there are people who have interviewed only for 12 minutes. Okay, and got selected. There are also people 12 minutes and 10 minutes only and got selected. Okay, and there is also people 40 and 45 minutes who got selected. So this is again regarding the, then let's see. And there is a one major criteria. I think one is a sad news only for the people who have their arrears, okay, or their backlogs, because after seeing the complete PDF I have not found any pupil who have their backlogs and get selected, because everyone fill the form and they write no on the place of any backlogs. Okay, you can see there are lots of people who have responded for no. देखो 50 people, around 50 people respond for no, 0 for 17, NA for 6 people, nil for 4 responses, no one response, no. Okay, so there are no any people who have their backlogs or arrears and get selected. So this is a sad news for all of the people who have their arrears or backlogs in previous. Okay, then about the percentage criteria or CGPA. So you can see around 7.6, 7.2, 9.7. Okay, so from all the CGPAs pupils get selected. Okay, not like you have above 8 only then you can get selected. You can see there 7.7. Okay, then there is also lots of candidates from the different CGPAs who got selected. Okay, yeah. Then about the state, which is the main thing. Okay, so according to state, I think from Maharashtra and West Bengal lots of people get selected. Okay, from Uttar Pradesh one, from UP one. Okay, from CG one, Andhra Pradesh one, Odisha one, Jharkhand one, Maharashtra and Chandrapur one, Andhra Pradesh one, Telangana one, UP Telangana one. Okay, then again see Tamil Nadu 2, Andhra Pradesh 1, Uttar Pradesh 1, CG, MP, Gujarat 1, Karnataka 1, Pondicherry 1, Telangana 1, Bihar 1, Rajasthan 1. There are lots of responses. Okay, from Maharashtra you can see 15 people. There is also previous in Maharashtra. From Andhra Pradesh there are 9 people. Okay, from Gujarat 6 people, West Bengal 4 people, Kerala 4 people, Tamil Nadu 4 people, Bihar 3 people, Odisha 3 people, Karnataka 3, Madhya Pradesh 3, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then about the college name. So you can see college name in PDF also. I will not discuss this. Okay, so this is a complete PDF. You can see. Okay, here I want to tell you that what are the detail are here mentioned and you can see there. Okay, so this is a time stamp. Okay, when they submit the, this is not their result date or interview date, this is a time when they submit the Google form. Okay, so this is nothing related to you. Then there is branch is related to, you can see here the complete branch of the pupil, then the branch wise their college name. Okay, and then college name after for which I see they get interviewed. Okay, here you can see then result by which I see he get. Okay, so you can see completely that these are the ICs for which they interviewed and these are the ICs for which they get selected. So there are around 90% of people are who got selected for different IC from which they interviewed. Okay, so nothing to worry about that. I have interviewed by this IC and my IC results are out, so I am rejected or not. So don't worry for this. Okay, so in this line you can see after interview IC result you can see state from which state the person is. Okay, so you have to see in this line for a person. Okay, like फिर then CGPA about their CGPA for which CGPA he got selected around. Okay, then backlogs, then interview duration for which interview, then HR name, and then here the date of interview. So these complete detail you will get in Instagram through the PDF also in one PDF. Okay, and these are the interview, and for the areas candidate which I am telling that you can see there is no one candidate gets selected after who have their backlogs. Okay, you can see here also more lots, every candidate mentioned that there have no any backlogs. So this is a complete detailed discussion on the people who got selected, and I hope you all will understand about this and get a better idea about this. So you can download the form in the Instagram. I also put the link of the filling form, so please share the form also who got selected, so that in the next 2-3 days also we will get the all the candidates who got selected, so we can get the better idea about it. So I hope this will help you a lot, and thank you all to all of the candidate who is watching this video till now, and please subscribe the channel and share the video also, because I will provide you the all the details, okay, regarding the LNT, and I will also update you when complete interview will be over. So thank you all. Jai Hind.